Want to turn your text ideas into fully finished AI videos right inside your browser without downloading a single thing? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using Flixier. Flixier is a powerful browser-based video editor that lets you generate AI video clips and edit them into a polished final product all in one seamless timeline. To get started, you don't even need a credit card. You can simply sign up and try it out for free. Once you're in the dashboard, the magic happens directly inside the editing timeline. Instead of switching between different websites to generate and edit, Flixier lets you do everything in one place. You can generate video or images from text prompts using some of the most popular AI models out there, including Kling, Veo, Sora, Flux, and Stable Diffusion. What makes Flixier stand out is that it's a complete editing suite. Once your AI video is generated, you can extend the visuals from the very last frame, create smooth AI transitions, and trim or cut your footage exactly where you need it. You can also record your screen or webcam, edit your video by simply editing a text transcription, and polish your project with AI-generated voiceovers and automatic subtitles. It's an all-in-one tool built for creating social media clips, reels, TikToks, product demos, and training videos. Now, when it comes to user reviews, we currently have limited external review data available to share. Because of this, we highly recommend testing out their free tier yourself to see how the rendering speeds and generation quality fit your specific creative workflow. If you're ready to start building, head over to Flixier.com to try it out. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on browser-based AI video editing. See you in the next video.